Let's talk repairs here at Tool Equipment. What brands do we repair?
The brands that we sell, so DeWalt, Makita, Festool, Tabo, Milwaukee, Hasload.
We offer two sides of the repair, like there's a charge repair or there's the warranty repairs, isn't there?
Well, the warranty repair, if the tool is bought from us within the year, and then if it's after the year and they've taken out the extended warranty up to 3 years, that's the manufacturer's warranty.
Yeah, that's with the manufacturer.
With the manufacturer.
Yeah.
If it's out of warranty, then for the smaller tools, it's a €30 estimate.
All right, so for any of these corded tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bigger ones like this Hoover and the chop saws are all €50 estimate.
Yeah. What sort of lead time are we looking at the moment, Martin?
At the moment, it's around 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Could be longer depending on parts from the manufacturers. So is every tool worth repairing then, Mark?
Not really. It depends. So it depends on how old the tool is, how much the tool is going to cost to repair, stuff like that. So in general, it can be best off to bring it into us and we can give you our advice on it, whether it is worth repairing or not. And downtime is a major factor as well. So you have to think of that when you're sending in a tool for repair, lads.
If it's economical or not.
Yeah, and the downtime without the tool, like, so it can be €200 tool might be worth buying a new one today.